Hi there, how are you all doing? Welcome to Maths Pitch. Thanks for joining with us in exploring web development. Having a web development skill set means equipped with full stack skills. Full stack means which includes both front end and back end. Front end at client side, back end at server side. We are now exploring front end technology is known as HTML. Okay, currently we are looking at HTML tags. Let's get into today's session. We are very happy and most exciting to inform you all my happy learners and first time visitors. Our Mathspace knowledge corpus is get growing day by day. Please do visit us our YouTube channel Mathspace www.youtube.com at Mathspace. Sure thing is some takeaway as far as knowledge concern. Okay. Please do subscribe the channel and support us. Please drop a message. We'll get back. Here is our today's learning agenda. Meta tags in HTML. Meta tags are HTML elements that provides metadata about a web page. Metadata means data about data. To make it more clear, metadata tags basically placed inside the header section of the HTML document. These are not directly visible to the user. Okay, meta tags helps browsers, search engines, and other web services understand and process the or page content. For instance, you have the web page something similar like this. You know that docker type HTML first tag, that's basically like web browser to understand like what type of document it is and then what standard HTML that this page has, right? This is the root tag, HTML tag, within which you have a header section, body section. So these metadata tags should go to head section. Okay, this is an example of metadata tags. Meta. Here is the syntax. Meta, name equal to attribute, content equal to value. Purpose of meta tags. SEO means search engine optimization. So it improves the page visibility on search engine. That's one advantage. Content information. It describes the page content. So what exactly that web page meant to is, each page can have its own metadata. So that's the beauty of having metadata for your web page. Browser behavior, control viewpoint settings, character encoding, and more. These are all basically helps browser understand your page, renders accordingly, right? That's one more idea, having metadata or meta tags within your web page development. Social sharing defines how a web page appears when shared on a social platforms. Do you see now there is a plenty of advantages having meta tags. Instead of advantages, you have to say like the usage of meta tags when we are actually viewing the page in different browsers in different devices. Common meta tags which we use in our web page development: character encoding, description, viewpoint, other, robots, refresh. Character encoding means it defines the character set used in web page. Commonly UTF-8 is what we use for universal compatibility. Here is the syntax: meta char set equal to UTF-8. Whereas description, it provides a brief summary of the page. search engine may display this in results. Syntax: meta, name equal to description, content, learn about latest technologies in applications. For instance, look at the viewpoint. Controls the page dimensions and scaling on mobile devices, crucial for responsive design. So the syntax like meta, name equal to viewpoint, and content equal to width equal to device width, initial scale 1.0. So readjusting based out of the your device display unit. Now look at an author. What for this is specifies author of the web page. For instance, MathsBridge. Now look at robots. Instruct search engine on how to crawl or index the page. So this is what syntax. Name equal to robots, content, index and follow. Here are the few options. Index allows the page to be indexed. No index means like prevent the page from being indexed. Follow allows following links on the page. No follow prevent following links on the page. That's an kind of an options that you can set up. Now look at refresh. Redirects the page or reloads it after a specified time. If you wanted to dynamically refresh the page, you have to use this option. Then you don't need to refresh and for reloading the page. Instead, the page by itself will do that for us. Got it? So now you see what is the common uses of using meta tags. It's a kind of like a mandate for you to have them in your web page. Metadata talks about data about data, isn't right? Because you are developing a web page and then you're describing about that data in the form of metadata. Meta tags plays a crucial role in optimizing web pages for search engines, browsers, and user experience. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, click on bell icon and leave the comments. Happy learning. Thank you. Stay tuned to upcoming sessions.